Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on March 30th, 2026, which was just 6 days ago. It tackles the massive indexing bottleneck in large language models by introducing a two-stage hierarchical search, achieving a 3.75 times speedup at a 64K context length without requiring any model retraining. The paper is titled HISA, Efficient Hierarchical Indexing for Fine-Grained Sparse Attention. And as we will see later, the efficiency gains for scaling models to ultra-long contexts are really impressive. So, Figure 1 illustrates exactly how they achieve this efficiency, by comparing the original approach to their new method. On the left, we see the original DeepSeek sparse attention, which uses a flat token-wise indexer that must scan every single token in the sequence, creating a massive bottleneck. The right side details the proposed HISA method. It first pulls tokens into blocks for a coarse filter, and only then applies the precise token-level search within those chosen blocks. This two-step process dramatically cuts down the search space, while outputting the exact same top tokens needed for attention. Alright, Figure 2 compares the latency of the original indexer against the new HISA approach as sequence length grows. The left panel shows performance under a fixed budget, where the baseline latency explodes at a 64K context. In contrast, HISA stays remarkably stable, delivering that 3.75 times speedup. Then, the right panel illustrates a scenario with a fixed 4:1 compression ratio, which shows HISA still providing a solid 2.16 times speedup over the original method. Well, shifting to retrieval performance, Figure 3 presents the needle in a haystack accuracy heat maps for 3 different indexing strategies. On the left, the original method maintains near-perfect accuracy, represented by the solid green blocks across all depths and context lengths, up to 128K. The middle heat map reveals how a standard block sparse baseline struggles, showing significant red areas where retrieval fails at longer contexts. Finally, on the right, the new HISA approach closely matches the original performance, effectively proving that this efficiency comes without sacrificing accuracy. Okay. After the previous figure demonstrated strong retrieval accuracy, Figure 4 provides structural evidence for why this works. This heat map visualizes attention distribution across different layers and sequence positions. The red boxes highlight spans where high-importance tokens naturally cluster together, indicating that the model focuses heavily on contiguous chunks of text. Because these crucial tokens are grouped, it perfectly justifies using that block-level coarse filter before running the precise token-level search. So, Table 1 puts this structural advantage to the test on downstream tasks using the long bench suite. It compares the original DSA indexer, a standard block method, and HISA across 2 major models. Looking at the top section for DeepSeek v3.2, HISA achieves an average score that practically mirrors the original performance, while clearly beating the standard block approach. The lower section confirms this trend for GLM5, showing HISA maintaining or even slightly improving on the original scores. This demonstrates that the hierarchical search can be plugged right in for those massive speedups, without degrading real-world capabilities. Alright, following up on those long bench results, Figure 5 details an ablation study across 5 task categories. The top row focuses on DeepSeek v3.2, comparing the original DeepSeek sparse attention in blue against a block sparse baseline in orange and 3 HISA configurations in green. Adjusting HISA's block size, while keeping the total candidate pool constant, barely impacts the scores, which consistently match the original method. The bottom row confirms this stability for GLM5, where HISA again avoids the performance drops of the simple block sparse approach. Wrapping up, the main takeaway is that HISA successfully neutralizes a massive scaling bottleneck for large language models. By using a training-free plug-and-play hierarchical search, it paves the way for efficiently processing ultra-long contexts. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.